Hello and welcome to KahindoTech. In this video, I'll show you how to create an account on the Fox Sports app. But before I begin, please allow me to give a quick 10-second shout out to my merch store. I work with different artists to create cool and original fan art. I sell clothes, pillows, and many different accessories. Please check out my store to support the channel and the artists I work with. You can find a link to my store on the top of the comment section or the description of this video. Thanks. You can now get back to your video. We'll begin by opening up the Fox Sport app. Once it's opened, look over here on the bottom left right hand corner. Do you see where it says for you? Tap on there and it's going to take you to this page. Once here, look all the way on the upper right hand corner and you see this person icon right here. Tap right there. And then underneath settings, click over here where it says account setup or sign in. And then you can go ahead and set up your account. So I'll enter the email that I'm gonna use to sign in into my account. And then I'll create a password. And a good password is usually 8 characters long. Include 1 uppercase and 1 lowercase character, and also add a number and a special character. Okay. The special character is like the $sign or your pound, stuff like that. So I'm entering my password right now, but you guys can see it because it's covered up. All right. Once you have entered your email and password, click over here where it says sign up. There you go. It says it's successful right here. And now I've signed up into my account. So if I click the person icon again, you see over here that I've signed up. That's how you can sign up for an account on the Fox Sports app. If you have any other questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. If you like the video, click on the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos like this. Thank you for watching.